guys, and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to show you guys how I use water decals to decorate my Christmas nails, and I'm going to show you guys how to do glitter sweater nail design. So a little twist on the traditional sweater nail, we're going to do a glitter sweater nail. So first of all, I'm going to show you guys how I do the glitter sweater nail. So I have this platinum gel. This gel is a rose gold platinum gel. I did get this from AliExpress. If you guys are interested, I will link the AliExpress video in here where I show you guys they are glitter platinum gels, and they are from AliExpress, and they are super easy way to get sweater nails, glitter sweater nails. So what I do like about this is you have the ability to wipe off any mistakes until you get that perfect sweater nail design. I'm using the platinum gels in a rose gold, and I'm using this liner brush that I also got from AliExpress, and I'm painting 2 solid lines on the nail. I do have some striping tape horizontally, and I am showing you guys the gel there. It is platinum gel. It is a really, really pretty rose gold color, more champagne-y, and I'm curing in between. So that I find is so much easier to cure in between, especially if you have a hard time with gel art. Cure in between for your glitter sweater nails, and I think it helps so much, making it beginner friendly and easy to do. That way you don't have to worry about smearing any of the design. So now I'm going to go with another platinum glitter for the sweater nail, but this one I'm going to do in hot pink. So this is a hot pink glitter, also a platinum gel from AliExpress, and now I'm using a dotting tool to kind of make V-shaped designs connecting there in the middle. And then on the outside I'm going to go in with the same hot pink platinum glitter gel, and I'm going to do dots. And I love this sweater nail design. I think it is super beginner friendly, and you get a glitter sweater nail. So it's a bit of a twist of the traditional sweater nail. I really like the glitter sweater nail. You could also pour over some glitter to this, but since this already has the glitter in it, since it's a platinum gel, it makes your life so much easier. So I did draw another line there on the side, and then I'm taking the dotting tool and making dots along the sides there, and that is it. Super easy glitter sweater nail for Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I think it's a really easy way to get the glitter sweater nail effect on your nails. Super beginner friendly as well. So after I like this, I will flash cure it, and then I'm going to show you how to do a glitter snowflake. So you guys can see I made 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, and then I kind of made 2 little V designs pointing outward, so 2 smaller V's and then 2 larger V's on the outside with the hot pink platinum glitter gel, and then I'm going in with the gold glitter gel, and I'm going to be doing 1 dot in the middle and 4 dots connecting them. And I find this is a really easy way to do glitter snowflakes. I love snowflake design. I love any Christmas nail art. I'm probably going to go and do it way past Christmas because I just love Christmas nail art, and this was an easy way to get glitter snowflakes and glitter sweater nails.